So I'm not going to get coffee right now because it's kind of late for coffee, but I just wanted to show you how small this coffee station is. Super slim design, super easy to use. There's a spot here where you're going to put in the water. It's going to come out right there just by pushing this start button there. Yeah, just a really slim coffee machine. Yeah, hope that helps if you're looking for something super compact and yet seems to work well. I want to check this one out.